Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll in order to find the section connected with the apps. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Preferences. And as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.